Kia ora everyone. Today we are learning to find the highest common factor, or the HCF as you might see it online sometimes. Now if you haven't seen the previous video about factors, I'd recommend having a watch popping up right now. You really need to understand factors before moving on with this video. So the first question we are going to look at is, what is the highest common factor of 16 and 24? So first we want to think about these two numbers and look for shared divisible answers or factors. So we'll start by making a quick little table. Always a good thing to start with. 16 on one side, 24 on the other. And we want to think about the factors for each one. So what numbers can be multiplied and equal these numbers? Well, we're thinking about 16, 1. 2 is a factor of 16. 4, because 4 times 4, think about 8, so 8 times 2, and we've also got 16, of course, 16 times 1. And on the other side for 24, we've got 1, of course, 2, we've got 3 for 3 times 8, we've got 4 times 6, that means we've got 6 as well, we've got 8, we've got 12, and we've also got 24, for 24 times 1. Quite a lot of factors on that side. So remember, we're looking for the highest common factor, so it's kind of like the highest number that's shared between them. So if we look at the numbers that are shared, we have 1 is shared, 2, 4, and 8, and that looks to be about it. So for the answer for what is the highest common factor of 16 and 24, the answer is going to equal 8. That's the highest number that's shared between them. That's a factor. Now, next one we're going to look at is, what is the highest common factor of 9 and 27, and we're going to try and do it without a table this time. The table is a good place to start with if you're beginning at it, but you want to be able to get to the point where you don't need it anymore. So we want to be good at our basic facts, of course, when we're doing these factors. And when you think of the number 9, you want to think, like, what factors are immediately popping out? Of course, you've got 1 and 9, and you've also got 3 for 3 times 3, of course. 27, if you actually think about it, 9 is actually a multiple of 27, and we're never going to get higher than 9 for 9. So that means for this one, the answer must be 9. And we can stop there. It can't possibly be any bigger than the first number. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Always keep practicing, enjoying your maths, and I'll see you guys next time. Ka kite.